Now we have studied mica, a non-metallic mineral. Now let us move towards limestone, which is a rock mineral and non-metallic mineral. So limestone, a rock mineral found in sedimentary rocks, which is composed of calcium carbonate or calcium and magnesium carbonate. So limestone is found in sedimentary rocks, which is composed of calcium carbonate or calcium and magnesium carbonate, used in smelting iron ore blast furnaces of steel plants, and serves as a basic raw material for manufacturing cement. In cement, the basic raw material used is limestone. Now let us see production of limestone state-wise share in percentage in 2016-17. As we can study this pie chart, we can see Rajasthan contributes 21% for the production of limestone. Then comes Madhya Pradesh and Andhra Pradesh contributing 11% each. Chhattisgarh and Karnataka 10% each. Gujarat, Tamil Nadu, Telangana 8% each, and others they contribute 13%. Other states they contribute 13% production of limestone. Now let us move towards other important factor, that is how mining activities are injurious to health for the miners and the environment. Though mining or minerals they are very helpful in economic development of a country, but on the other hand mining activity is very injurious to the health of the miners. How? Mining industry is also known as killer industry because of no natural light inside the mines, which makes the working of the workers tougher. There is no proper ventilation also. Risk to life due to collapse of roofs. Collapse of roofs means the roof of the mine which can collapse at any time. There is no guarantee for that. Overflow of water is there inside the mine. Fire is always there. Slurry from mines damages the farmlands and road. The slurry from mine which is thrown outside on the roads and farmland, it damages both these things very badly. So without treating that slurry, if you throw it, it will damage, but you need to treat that slurry. Causes respiratory diseases and pulmonary diseases to the miners, but this can be avoided by adopting strict safety regulations and implementation of environmental laws. We can avoid mining from becoming killer industries. So what we have to do, we have to apply strict safety regulations and implementation of environment laws. So these are the things we have studied about limestone, mica, non-metallic minerals, and how mining industry or mining activity is injurious to miners and how we can avoid it from becoming killer industry.